So, you've heard the term the cloud thrown around a lot. It's in ads, it's on your phone settings, and your favorite apps probably live there. But what is it really? Is it some magical, misty place up in the sky where all our data floats around? Not quite. In the simplest terms, the cloud is just someone else's computer. That's it. Instead of storing files on your own computer, you're renting space from companies like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft. These companies have built gigantic data centers filled with endless rows of servers, and you can access them anytime, from anywhere. Think of it like this. You could buy a whole bunch of DVDs and build a massive movie library in your house. Or, you could just pay for a Netflix subscription. You don't own the movies, but you can access a massive library whenever you want. The cloud works on the exact same principle. It's about access over ownership, convenience over clutter. The importance of cloud computing comes down to three key benefits: cost, convenience, and scale. Buying and maintaining your own hardware is incredibly expensive. You need servers, networking gear, physical space, electricity, and people to manage it all. With the cloud, you convert that huge upfront cost into a manageable monthly bill, just like your electricity bill. Then there's convenience. Imagine your laptop suddenly dies while working on a major project. If you were using a cloud service like Google Docs, you could borrow a friend's laptop, log in, and pick up right where you left off. All your data is safe in the cloud, completely independent of any single device. Let's talk about scale. Say you launch an app and overnight it goes viral. On a traditional server, that traffic spike would crash your system. With the cloud, you can set up automatic scaling. As more users sign up, the cloud automatically assigns more computing power. When traffic dies down, it scales back so you only pay for what you use. When organizations move to the cloud, they choose between three main types: public, private, and hybrid. Public cloud is owned by third-party providers like AWS or Google Cloud. They own the hardware and offer services to the general public over the internet. Think of it like living in an apartment building. You have your private space, but you share the building's infrastructure with other tenants. Private cloud is like owning your own house. You have complete control over everything, but it's much more expensive and complex. Hybrid cloud combines both. A company might use private cloud for sensitive data and public cloud for less critical tasks. This offers flexibility, letting organizations optimize for cost, security, and performance based on specific needs. Cloud services break down into three models: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Think of it like making pizza from scratch, using a pizza kit or ordering delivery. IaaS gives you fundamental building blocks: virtual servers, networking, and storage. You manage everything on top, like the operating system and applications. It's for IT pros who need to build custom systems from the ground up. PaaS is like the pizza kit. The provider manages servers, storage, and operating systems. You just bring your application code. SaaS is the delivery option. Complete software applications like Gmail, Netflix, and Google Docs that you access through a browser. Each model offers different levels of control versus convenience, depending on your needs. Three companies dominate the cloud market: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. AWS is the undisputed king, launching in 2006 and offering over 200 services. It has the most mature platform and largest market share. Microsoft Azure leverages their massive enterprise customer base, making it easy for companies already using Microsoft products to transition. Google Cloud Platform opens up Google's powerful infrastructure to the public, particularly renowned for AI, machine learning, and data analytics. Each provider has strengths: AWS for comprehensive services, Azure for enterprise integration, and GCP for cutting-edge innovation. Together, they control the majority of the global cloud market, driving innovation and competitive pricing. You're probably using the cloud every single day without thinking about it. It's woven into our digital lives. Streaming services like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube don't store content on your device. It's all streamed from cloud servers. Photo storage services like Google Photos automatically back up your pictures to the cloud, accessible from any device. Web-based email like Gmail stores your messages on servers, not your computer. That's why you can access your entire email history from any device. Productivity suites like Google Docs and Microsoft 365 let you create, edit, and collaborate on documents across multiple devices in real time. Even social media is cloud-based. Your Instagram photos, Facebook posts, and Twitter updates all live on massive server farms. The best way to understand the cloud is to use it. Let's walk through setting up free cloud storage with Google Drive. Once logged in, navigate to drive.google.com. The interface looks like your computer's file explorer. with a main area for files and a menu on the left. To upload a file, simply drag and drop it into the browser window. In seconds, your file is safely stored in the cloud. Right-click any file and select Share. You can invite specific people or create a shareable link with different permission levels. You can set people as viewers, commenters, or editors, controlling exactly what they can do with your files. Install the mobile app or desktop application to automatically sync files across all your devices, creating seamless backups. Major cloud providers invest billions in security, physical guards, biometric scanners, encryption, and armies of security experts. Scalability means automatically adjusting resources based on demand. Your application gets exactly what it needs when it needs it, and you only pay for what you use. Automation handles the complex infrastructure management, freeing developers to focus on building great products. The cloud has democratized access to powerful technology, leveling the playing field for innovation worldwide. It's shifted us from ownership to access, from fixed capacity to elastic scale, from manual management to automated efficiency. Understanding the cloud isn't optional anymore, it's the foundation for next-generation technologies like AI and IoT. Whether you're backing up photos or building the next big app, start small and explore what's possible. The cloud is here, waiting for you to build something amazing with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.